Usembut Menteri Rangba bapet ketenap transport ba singa balang dahar menta kasngi ulaya Kynduh Biang ye kinong yalam jogi Trok Kamai Ryngkat ke jinga donlang ki Kompeni Dewbilat penyathir bat yatai Kompenia halor ki mat jing dawa balabu da kekenhun ki Trok Kamai hapo kekenhun Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association hadin balawai ke jinga lang usembut Menteri Rangba ula pentip baka jinga lang kala shemru yak kirai habaya day bat ki mat jing dawa balabu da kate kekenhun ki Trok Kamai.
Today we had a meetings in continuation with the meeting we had last time 13 November I think. So because that time it led only to the agenda not yet finalized, and as per the minute meeting that we had captured last time is the cement plant 6 times to discuss at that level, and today more or less we continue with that agenda. Agenda number 1 is all the 3 associations request them the quota indirectly priority for the local people. Previously it was there 80 trucks for the local people every day within Meghalaya, and the last meeting and the other new association MC Toda also request why didn't you give us another 40 trucks, and today we had finalized both sides, both the cement plant manufacturer and from the associations, and they had agreed that they will give 120 as per the demand, and immediately for 100 truck we will start from tomorrow itself, and another 20 additional means 120 in total they will start from December, and that is done. And number 2, that time they raised about to fix the rate for the interstate movement also. And during the last meeting, AG was present with us, and he already seeks the permission from the meeting. So, okay, since the interstate rate may be not appropriate or whether appropriate, so I need to examine matter properly. And we sent it officially after the meeting itself last week to the law department for law opinion. So even that also we have received the legal opinion. So as per the legal opinion submitted by the AG, legally it was not possible for the state of Meghalaya to notify the rate for the other state. So interstate will remain as per market rate, and about the within the state we already decided 9 rupees per liter as per decided last meeting. That is the meeting as of today.